Granddad parked us by a rusty caboose. Said best hot dogs this side of Duluth. Karen wiped the mustard off his wrinkled chin. Henry filmed it all with a big old grin. Well, bless your heart, Granddad, what a doozy. One big sneeze turned lunch into a movie. Hot dog flying like a cruise missile nose. Shot out the front, then out the nose. Nobody prayed for grace or a truce when Granddad sneezed by the train caboose. Beth's trying not to laugh, but she starts to choke. Her husband snorts once and the dam just broke. Karen yells, "Harold, that's not how you chew." A bun's on the bench and a dog's on his shoe. Bless your heart, Granddad, what a doozy. One big sneeze turned lunch into a movie. Hot dog flying like a cruise missile nose. Shot out the front, then out the nose. Henry plays it frame by frame, slow-mo sausage, instant fame. Granddad bows, guess that's my trick. Karen says next time take it small, not thick. Bless your heart, Granddad, what a doozy. One big sneeze turned lunch into a movie. Hot dog flying like a cruise missile nose. Shot out the front,